Dear student, today we are going to review square roots and learn how to simplify square root expressions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what a square root means, use the square root properties for multiplying and dividing, write answers in simplest radical form, like 4 set 3 or 3 set 2. So let's us do a quick review. What is a square root? So 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. When I say set 9, I'm asking what number times itself give 9. That number is 3. So set 9 is 3. The square root of a number is a number that multiplies by itself to give that number. So more example is like set 1 is 1, set 4 is 2, set 16 is 4, set 25 is 5, set 36 is 6, and so on. These are called perfect squares. We use them a lot when we simplify square roots. Okay, so property 1, multiplication. We write set A multiply set B equals set AB. If you multiply two square roots, you can combine them into one square root. For example, set 4 multiply set 3 equals set 4 multiply 3, which is set 12. We can also split one square root into two if that helps us. So property 2, division. We have set A over set B, which is set A, big set A over B. So if we divide one square root by another, we can put them under one square root, or we can... So for example, if you have set 9 divide set 4, you can make a big set 9 divide 4, and it will be... And then this is very important. If you have set A plus set B, it is not equal set A plus B. This is very important. With addition and subtraction, we cannot combine the square roots like we do with multiplication and division. So, set 4 plus set B is not equal to set 9. Alright, so let us go through our main skill is to simplify in radical form. Our big goal today is to write square root expressions in simplified or in simplest radical form. That means first square left under the square root. Any factors that are perfect squares are taken out. So first step is find a perfect square factor. Second, write the number as perfect square multiply other factor. Third, take out the square root of the perfect square out of the root. And fourth, leave any non-perfect square factor inside the root. Okay, for example, first question. Exercise 1, we have set 48. So step 1, which perfect square goes into 48? Look at our first list. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 100. Okay, so 16 works. 16 times 3 equal 48. So we will have 48. Set 48 is equal set 16 multiply 3. It is also set 16 multiply set 3. So then what is set 16? Set 16 is 4. So it is set 4. It is 4 set 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next, be set 200. Step 1, find a perfect square inside 200. So inside 200, we will have set 100 multiply 2. So you can split this into set 100 multiply set 2. Set 100 is 10, set 2. Okay, so find a perfect square, split, take it out. See, we have 5 times set 9, 18. So now we already have a number in front, which is 5. That 5 is just multiplying the root. So first we simplify 18. So which perfect square inside 18? 18 we can do 9 times 2, right? So it is 5 set 9 multiply 2, we split into 2. 5 times set 9 multiply set 2. And it will become 5 times 3 dot set 2. It is 15 set 2. Okay, next. Set 72, we will simplify the square root in the numerator first, then divide. So what perfect square inside 72? We have 36 times 2. Okay, so it is set 36 multiply 2 over 2. And we split into 2. 36 times 2. 2. So it is 6 times set 2 over 2. And then the whole number can divide. It is 3 set 2. We have this. So this is the expression given. We will multiply this like any binomial. First, outer, inner, last. Be careful with the sign. So first term, set 12 will be this one times this one, and then this one times this one, which is set 12 multiply set 3. Okay, and then plus 3 set 12. And then this one times this one is minus 4 set 3. The last one will be minus 4 times 3, which is minus 12. Okay, so next, what we can do here, for this one, we will put it inside one big set. Plus 3 set 12 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. So here becomes set 36 plus 3 set 12 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. Okay, so once you see this, we need to simplify each radical, meaning that set 36 is 6 plus set 12 is 4 multiply 3 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. So here we can split this into 2. Set 4 set 3 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. Okay, here is 6 plus 3 multiply 2. Set 4 is 2. Set 3 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. So it becomes 6 plus 6 set 3 minus 4 set 3 minus 12. So now we combine like terms. Combine like terms. So the terms with set 3 go together. The plain numbers go together. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Okay, 6 set 3 minus 4 set 3 is plus 2 set 3. Okay, so you can see that the answer should be option 1. Exercise 3. So we have this expression, and we need to choose from multiple choice. So squaring, you have square here means multiplying by itself. So we will have set 8 minus 2, set 8 minus 2. So again, we will use FOIL. So we expand everything. So this one time, this one is set 8 multiply set 8. This one times this, this one times this one is minus 2 set 8. This one times this one is minus 2 set 8. And then last one is plus 4. Okay, so you can see that you have set 8 times set 8. If you make it together, it will become 8 times 8 is 64. So here is 8 times 8 minus 2. Copy back everything. So here you will get set 64. Set 64 is 8. So, and then you simplify set 8. So from 2 set 8, you can have 2 set 4 times 2 minus 2 set 4 times 2 plus 4. Okay, and then you can have actually split it, become set 4 set 2 minus 2 set 4 set 2 plus 4. So it will become 2 times 2 set 2 minus, you change set 4 to 2 plus 4. So it become minus 4 set 2 minus 4 set 2 plus 4. So then you will combine like the whole number with whole number and the set with set 2 like terms. So it will become 12 minus 8 set 2. And it is option 2. For exercise 4, the key idea is like you can only add or subtract square roots when the number inside the root or the radicand is the same. Okay, so we try to simplify each root until we see a common radicand. We will use our form like set AB equals set A times set B. So we need to pull out any perfect square. First, we factor each radicand to show a perfect square. So for this one, 9 times 3, and this one, 25 times 3. So for set 27 is set 9 multiply 3 plus set 25 times 3. Next, we split it into 2. Set 9, set 3 plus set 25, set 3. Next, this is 3, set 3. This is 5, set 3. And then, now we have the same radicand. Same radicand, which is set 3. So we can add the like terms, meaning say that 3 plus 5. So we have 8 set 3. This is our final answer. Okay, for B, we again factor each radicand. So we have here is 25 times 3. Here is 4 times 2. And then here is 81 times 2. Okay, so we simplify each. So set 50 is 25 times 2 plus 7, set 4 times 2 plus 2 over 3, set 81 times 2. From here, you see that you can do set 5. Set 5 is set 25 times set 2 plus 7 set 4 times set 2 plus 2 over 3 set 81 times set 2. So this one, this, and this, we can simplify it because it is a perfect square. So it is 5 set 2 plus 7 times 2 set 2 plus 2 over 3 times 9 set 2. So it is 5 set 2 plus 14 set 2 plus this is 1, this is 3 plus 6 set 2. So you can see that now we have all terms are multiplied of set 2. So we can actually add it. 5 plus 14 plus 6. It will be 25 set 2. So this is our final answer. Next, given lengths set 18 and set 32, find the hypotenuse C. So start with Pythagoras theorem. We have C square equal set 18 square plus set 32 square. Remember, C square is equal to A square plus B square. So we square each leg and add. When you square a square root, they cancel. For first one, set 18 square, it will be cancelled off. So it is 18 plus 32. So C square is 15. And to find C, C will be square jump to the other house become set 50. So this is set 50. This hypotenuse. B for set 50, A for set 50, you can actually simplify the radical. Factor this with a perfect square, which is 25 times 2. So it will become set 25 multiply 2. It is set 25. Split it become 2. So it is set 25 is 5 times set 2. So our answer is 5 set 2. Our hypotenuse. Next, we go to perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all three. So perimeter is equal to set 18 plus set 32 plus 5 set 2. So now we simplify these two into two radicals. So everything in terms set 2. Okay, this is our idea. So set 18 will be set 9 times 2 plus set 32 is 16 times 2 plus 5 set 2. So then we split this. Set 9 times set 2 plus set 16 times set 2 plus 5 set 2. And then we will simplify everything. Like this is 3 set 2 plus 4 set 2 plus 5 set 2. And then you can see that all like term, we can add like radical. Like radical, so it is 3 times plus 4 plus 5 will be 12 set 2. This is our final answer. Perimeter is 12 set 2. 6. Step 1 is to use conjugate pattern. So it is A minus B, A plus B is equal A square minus B square. Okay, so A is 2, B is set 3. Okay, so from here, we have minus and plus, right? So it's supposed to be 2 square minus set 3 square. So you have 4 minus 3, which is 1. So from here, you get the choice. Answer is 1. So you need to know that this is conjugate pattern, and conjugate pattern, you can straight away use this form, A square minus B square. So answer should be 1.